Hello everyone. We are the Election Edge, and what we do is targeted political campaigning. Okay. Here is to demonstrate this. Here is Mr. Kalaji, and he will. He is a worried politician, and here is what Election Edge can do for him. Yeah.
लालू प्रसाद यादव इतने उदास क्यों हो?
अरे इस बार नहीं ना जीत पाएंगे।
इलेक्शन एज नहीं यूज करेंगे क्या?
अरे वो क्या है?
इलेक्शन एज एक सुविधा है, इंटरनेट वेबसाइट है जिसके थ्रू आप अपना मैसेज जनता तक पहुंचा सकते हो।
अरे ऐसा क्या? अभी खरीद लाइए।
अरे अभी लीजिए, रिकॉर्ड करिए।
हाँ जी कर लिए। अरे कालू भैया, अरे कहाँ गए? अरे वाह, ऐसा भी हो सकता है। इस बार तो हम ही जीतूंगा।
कावड़ी जी बड़ी खुश होगी।
So what we do is targeted political campaigning.
Alright, and our unique selling proposition, we are present everywhere. We do targeted voice broadcast solutions and a suite of other solutions all around the planet, 120 countries. We are scalable from 50 calls for a targeted set of volunteers to 500,000 calls to a very, very big audience. We can do them and manage them on scale over cloud. And we bring analytics to politics. Not only do we provide them with these campaigns, we measure everything and give them actionable insights for them to take decisions that help politicians win.
Okay, so how do we intend to make money? It's pay-per-use and it is prepaid. The cost of the calls are going to be and it is going. We worked out and we checked out the operating margins are between 30 and 120% as against our nearest competitors, and we bring premium consulting solutions which are targeting about profiling, segmentation, get a call campaigns. All these can be done with analytical tools, predictive analysis. All that will be packaged as a premium consulting service and will be offered to the customer.
And it's not basically the first time that we are interacting with politicians. Our first business out of college was about selling political campaigning solutions to politicians. So there were about 32 people that we talked to. My competition was able to sell to 12 of them. So there is a market for it. People do end up buying and people do end up paying as well, though I didn't get paid. Our teams have gone out on the field. They have spoken to people whether they may be interested in hearing from multiple politicians about these kind of things. We may have a concern for spam, but our results showed that educated class, 50% of them say, okay, we will be interested if there are multiple people talking. Uneducated, most of them will hear.
So how are we going to market ourselves? We intend to be the most recognized brand in this space, and we also target proactive sales fight for specific campaigns that are happening. There are about 59 campaigns that are happening this year and 25 campaigns that are happening worldwide next year. We will target proactive ones. And we will make sure the Winning Edge, our newsletter, be the gold standard for political campaigning insights.
Alright, time for a demo. We had requested everybody to give their numbers who want to do a part of our demo. And now you're going to get a call from the application that we have built for some time. Pick it up when you can and listen to it. We'll be capturing your responses as well. And can we go on to the analytics page, please? Okay, so this is basically our product, broadcasting a call to everybody.
Somebody got a call. Somebody got a call.
Come on, guys, pick it up. It's okay.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Pick it up. Listen to it. Do whatever you want to do with it. That's our website. Okay. This is like real-time stats of how people are interacting with it. A simple chart for now. How do I discover the number? Thank you. We have it in our database. Okay, how do you discover the number? Sure, sure. For Indian team, we can talk for questions. That is just about it. So, yeah.
Don't mind me, I have a question.